Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is a little bit different. Today is a day in the life, and while it isn't the same day anymore, clearly, it's the day after, and I'm coming back because I forgot to film an intro. I just started the video, no intro, none. We don't do intros anymore. So I figured I'd come and start the video because I didn't really do that. So I hope you guys enjoy. I woke up 30 minutes ago, but it was too dark to film, so I came outside for a little bit, especially because some of my younger siblings are still sleeping this morning, so I didn't want to wake them up. So I woke up and did a quick Bible study, and now I'm going to go get a coffee to sort of wake up this morning, but the chilly weather this morning actually woke me up quite well.
Oh, she's waving. Wave to the camera.
For breakfast today, I had 3 turkey sausages, 2 eggs from our chickens, and then Brooke made raw yogurt from our raw milk. After breakfast, I do like to help out with some of the chores around the house, like making my bed, picking up around the house, and also starting some laundry. After that, I do go right out, check emails, answer comments, and find a good video to put on. I did wind up putting on a crocheted rib hat beanie if you want to go check that out. So right now, you guys, I know I look a little bit ridiculous, but I'm getting ready to go over and take photos of this hat, the messy bun beanie. I want to make sure that people know that they come in 3 different sizes, so that's probably what I'll end up doing. So I'm going to go do that. I will also put up photos and some video of us doing the photo shoot. Yeah. Again. All right. I did go ahead and made sure I put it right on Etsy, and I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in checking out anything over on my Etsy. Sister time! We're going to the thrift store. After getting back from the thrift store, I did go ahead and make myself lunch, and I just had a salad with some chicken and olives. So I'm actually about to start filming a video today, and then I'm gonna edit that video out because I've been pretty good about keeping up with the videos I have to edit, and that's just something I've made a habit of doing. Is when I have extra time after filming, I go right to editing, or else it's just gonna get pushed aside and I'm not gonna find time to do it. So that's just what works for me, just editing it right after. So I'm gonna get into filming, and then I'll take you guys along to my editing process. Hey guys, I'm about to start editing that video, and I personally use Filmora just because it's the platform my sister uses, and it's the easiest for me to use because she taught me how to use it because I'm not good with technology, and it's just the easiest for me. Filmora did not sponsor this video though. It's just the easiest for me to use. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below what kind of editing, if you do YouTube, let me know what editing software you guys use. I'm really interested to hear what kind of platform you guys use, if there was an easier platform to use. So just leave that down in the comments below. So I'm getting into it. We did have an early dinner due to live streaming, and I totally forgot to film dinner. It's a good thing Brooke has to film dinner for her, what we eat in a week. So we just had beef burritos with a salad and some rice, and like I said, an early dinner. It's a little bit cold. And the geese are yelling at me. They're like, please feed me. I think that's what they're saying. They're right behind me. Or they're like, back off. In from tonight. Thank you all for joining. And I'm just, as I said, I'm just crocheting a baby blanket. When Mom does my business meetings with me, pretty much she just helps me answer any comments that I need her help answering, or emails or anything like that. She also helps proof my videos before I put them on, which is very helpful because it's very important to have that second pair of eyes when putting stuff on YouTube. So as you guys probably know, I'm not a morning person or a late night person. So I choose to do the evening chores, or like evening milking chores instead of morning milking chores. I enjoy the evening chores a little bit better. It's a little bit more low-key, calm. It's not right at the start of the day when you're trying to wake up and everything. So I'm gonna go milk the cow with my brothers. There's the other cows. They're finishing up dinner. And of course Patty, she's probably got her food stolen. So she's going in to clean up the bowls. Poor little Patty. They all got their winter coats, so they all look super cute.
You know she's adding the clock to the YouTube, right? Here, add this too if you're gonna add that. Bailey, Samuel Peter Jones does not allow you to use any words on YouTube that he has said.
I need to show them me organizing my yarn. You're in the way. Okay. I'm also trying to make a habit of being more organized with my yarn. That's like the one area that I always struggle with. It always gets messy, so I've been trying to do this at least once a week. After that, I was able to fit in some more crocheting time. I did get a little bit of crocheting time while I was filming in the afternoon, but other than that, and of course the little bit of crocheting I got on the live stream, I really wanted to finish this baby blanket, so I wound up doing that for about 30 to 45 minutes. Let me know what time of day you all normally do your crocheting. My crocheting is normally closer at night, because it's just the best time for me to do it, because I won't be able to film or anything like that while it's dark outside. So leave a comment down below and let me know. Okay, so there's no way this is gonna make another round, but I want to use the rest, so I figured I could just do a single crochet border around it. I'm gonna see if that works, and if it is, I'm gonna be so happy. But this is definitely not enough to do another granny square round, so it's 24 rounds of granny square, and I used a 6mm crochet hook, and I'm just gonna work a single crochet border around it. I'm gonna work into all 3 stitches and then a chain space. So that's it. So I just finished the single crochet row and I still have yarn left. So I might try doing one more row, although I don't think it's gonna be enough. I'm gonna still do it. I'm still gonna do one more single crochet round, one more single crochet round. But other than that, this baby blanket is finished except for steaming it. But it is quite large, and this was made with Mandala Lion Brand yarn, so it's about 590 yards, and it made an entire baby blanket, you guys. I highly recommend this yarn. I loved working with it. The colors are just so beautiful. All right, other than the single crochet row, I'm probably gonna be done crocheting for today, so yeah. After crocheting, I did come back in, and we always do a family Bible study at night. And then after family Bible study time, we normally sit around and play a game or just talk. And that usually goes on for a couple hours each night. We just hang out, talk, play games, or anything like that. And then I did wind up picking up a book for my little sister at the thrift store, and she did want me to read it to her before bed, so that's what I wound up doing. Hey guys, and that's a wrap on the day in the life. I am getting ready for bed now. I'm exhausted. You guys, I don't stay up very late. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you guys want me to do this again? Because I had so much fun filming today. It was exciting for me. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Good night, all.